Okay, so we need to create domain on VS cpanel that I have. Click domains. I have already created. So next step is on your DNS on your registrar too. Sorry, we need to create a record. Step is we will run few commands on our server. Git clone and change this to your email. Now we will run this command to generate the certificate from Let's Encrypt. I will add these commands in description. You need to set up your domain. I have a laptops.pk, so we change it to yours. I have already read this, so I will need to add force. You will not need to do that. Now on cpanel, I will need to add. I will need to set up this SSL. Manage SSL. Select wildcard domain. Certificate file first. I will use nano command editor. You can also do it via FTP. Certificate file, copy all text and just paste it there. Next is key file. And the last one is CA bundle. Yes. This is my first video, so you can understand. I don't speak very well. But this one was the last file, CA bundle. So SSL is set up. Now we will need to set up some files on our server to so our subdomains are maintained to our files. Sorry about that, my internet connection isn't very good. So I have these two files, HTSS load, change the domain, and some optional redirects I have there. This is my file. Subdomain will get the wildcard domain from the address. it will get blue. Yes. Thanks for watching.